everyone, this is Stamping Songbird, and today I'm going to do an unpacking or unboxing without a box. So I thought I'd take a chance on a mystery bag, and I decided to go with Altenew. I like their stamps and a lot of their products, so I figured let's see what they'd put in a mystery bag. So they have different price points, lower end and much higher end. So of course, being that this is the first time that I am trying this out, I went with the lowest mystery bag. So I cut out my billing address and name and all that. So this is Altenew, from the company Altenew. I went with the Crafty Mystery Box X, which was the one at the lowest price point. So I have already opened it because I had to grab the invoice for you to see that. So let's dive in. I'm doing this because I was curious, and also because I wanted to share and see if maybe some of you would be interested. All right, let's see. So we've got Altenew fine liner pen set, 3 fine liner pens and 1 brush pen, archival, light, fast, and waterproof. So that will definitely come in handy with Copic markers if they're waterproof. So, okay, so this looks like a catalog. I'm going to show you everything that's in there. So it's just like a snapshot of their clear stamps. It gives you a little blurb about the company, their samples of their clear stamps, dies, stencils. Oh, that city stencil is really nice. Ink sprays. Wow, look at that galaxy effect. That's gorgeous. Washi tapes and watercolors. Scrapbook collections, inks, and markers. So that's nice. Some project inspiration with a stamp set called Beautiful Day Stamp Set. And it gives you lots of different ideas, cards, scrapbook layouts, some other cards. That's a beautiful, beautiful no line coloring. That's gorgeous. Okay, so let's put that to the side. Let's see what else is in here. A handmade enamel pin. It says 100% natural love, ingredient of happiness, handmade. It's an enamel pin. That's really cute. Okay, let's see. Monochrome shading pencils. So let's pop this baby open. Obviously, this is for people who draw. I don't draw, but who knows in the future. Let's take a look at these bad boys. Ooh. These are some fancy looking pencils. Let's see. They all have different numbers on them. So this is a 2H. We have HB, 4B, 6B, and 10B. I have no idea what that means. I'm sure it has to do with the intensity or the thickness of the points, or the intensity of the shading that the pencil does, or that you can do with the pencil. But I don't know. It says draw, sketch, shade, and color with this set of woodless graphite pencils. They can be used on their own or as a complement to your other art supplies. Nice. Very nice. Okay. So we've got pens, we've got pencils, we've got an enamel pen, we've got some project inspiration. Evening Skyline washi tape. Oh, that's pretty. Can you see that? I know there's glare. Sorry about that. Well, let's open it. Let's put that to the side. Oh, that's some really, really pretty. I don't know why there's a glare here. Sorry. Isn't that pretty? That's some nice washi tape. Let's pull it open and see. Ooh. It's low tack. Very nice. I like that. I thought for a second there it might be perforated. Okay, we've got some washi tape. Very nice. extra 5% off with my next order. That's always good. Oh, retractable eraser. So this goes in line with the pencils. Let's see. Oh, that's so cute. Very nice. Now this will come in handy because I do color with Prisma color pencils. So that is perfectly handy. Love that. And looks like this is the last thing. Let's see. Yep, that's the last thing. It is a large stamp set called Sweet Love. Sweet Love. It is an ice cream set. Oh, and a couple of flowers. So we have a couple of roses here. The word love, chocolate. Sending you scoops of ice cream is sweet. And then we have the different layers for the ice cream. So you could give it some depth with all of those layers. You could make it any color, any flavor. And it must look beautiful. So here we have some samples. Ooh, that looks like some sherbet or sorbet or even gelato. Very nice. And then here are the flowers. Beautiful. We've got some samples here of some of the work. Great. Can't wait to use this. So we've got, for $46, we've got one very large layering Altenew set called Sweet Love. We've got this gorgeous cityscape washi tape. It's pretty thick too. Altenew's fine liner pen set, 3 fine liner pens and 1 brush set. Monochrome shading pencils, also from Altenew. Their brand is what I mean. Altenew handmade enamel pin. And the retractable eraser. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 crafty items, plus the pin, which I don't really count as a crafty item. And if you want to count the inspiration, that'll give you 6. But I think in all it's 5 for $46. I don't think that's bad. I'm thinking that this stamp set is got to be more than $20 by itself. I don't know about pencils or the eraser, but I'm going to venture to say that this is worth a lot more than the $46 from the mystery bag. Now, again, there are many, many mystery bags that Altenew has, and they're all different price points. You don't know what you're going to get. You don't know if they're all for drawing or painting or stamping or scrapbooking, but you take that chance, and I think that it's worth it. I can do a lot with all of these things. So I hope you check out Altenew's website, and I'll link that below, and that this mystery bag inspired you to maybe take a look at some of their products. Until next time, happy crafting. Bye-bye.